In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lighten a photo in Affinity Designer if your image came out a little too dark. This quick workflow will help you brighten it up cleanly and non-destructively so you can always refine it later. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. Load the document that contains your photo or open the photo directly. Once it's visible on your canvas, click on the image to make sure it's selected. You can click it on the canvas or select it from the Layers panel. This tells Affinity Designer exactly which layer you want to affect. Next, look to the top of the interface and switch to the pixel persona. It's the persona button labeled pixel at the top. Designer is a vector-first app, and the pixel persona is where you'll find the tools and adjustments intended for editing photos and pixel-based layers. Switching here ensures that the photo adjustments we're about to apply behave the way you expect. With your image still selected, create a new adjustment layer. This is important because adjustment layers are non-destructive. They sit above your image, letting you tweak the look without permanently changing the underlying pixels. If you ever change your mind, you can open the adjustment again and refine it without losing quality. Choose the brightness contrast adjustment. This gives you two simple sliders that can make a big difference fast. Brightness raises or lowers overall light levels in the photo, while contrast increases or decreases the separation between dark and light areas. Now start adjusting. Nudge the brightness slider to the right to lighten the image. Move in small increments and watch the highlights so they don't blow out to pure white. If the picture starts to look a little washed out, bring up the contrast slightly to put richness back into the midtones and deepen the shadows. If your shadows get too heavy, dial the contrast back a touch. The sweet spot is where faces and important details are clearly visible, whites still have texture, and blacks aren't crushed. Take a moment to fine-tune both sliders together. Brightening often benefits from a modest contrast boost, but every photo is different. Subtle moves usually look more natural than aggressive ones. Because this is an adjustment layer, you can always revisit it later as you continue editing. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity Designer, select your image, switch to the pixel persona, add a new adjustment layer, choose brightness contrast, and carefully adjust the sliders to taste. With these steps, you can quickly lighten any photo while keeping full control over the final look.